Getting the go-ahead to make the sequel to Dumb and Dumber seems like a pretty smart move, but for some reason it's not happening yet. Although Jim Carrey had dropped out of the follow-up to the Farrelly Brothers' 1994 hit in June, he says he and Jeff Daniels still want to see it happen. "I'm ready," Carrey told me last night at SXSW's opening night premiere of his new comedy, The Incredible Burt Wonderstone. "There is a script. It's fun. Jeff and I are raring to go. So what's the hold-up? It's administrative," Carrey said, adding, "The green light committees have to have their way." Writer-director Peter Farrelly said earlier this year he'd like to see Channing Tatum in the sequel. He also said Emma Stone would knock it out of the park in a role of a young dumb girl. Jim Carrey wore what to Elton John's Oscar party this year. Carrey raised eyebrows about 2 years when he posted the video on YouTube professing his love for Emma Stone. He later explained he was just having fun, and Stone even told New York Magazine she was flattered by the message. Asked about Tatum and Stone being in the sequel, Carrey said, "That would be great. That would be awesome."